Just a real short video here. Both end links on this. I just did the CV axle on one side, found out that both end links were broken. On the sway bar, I'm gonna do end link replacement. I'm gonna go to the driver's side because I haven't taken it apart yet, but I mean the passenger side. I haven't taken it apart yet, but real quick, real easy. And we're gonna just replace the end links on this. Right here, busted, completely broken. Let me get a flashlight. We're just gonna undo top, undo the bottom, put the new one in. Yep, that was enough. All right, we'll do the same thing in the bottom. I can obviously get a hold of this. That's probably not tight enough. A little more. A little too much. Gotta be able to get it shut. It's hot today. I'm sweating like crazy. Been out here for just a couple minutes. Alright, let's see if I can get the gun on that. I think I can, barely. Maybe. Yeah, just. I know you can't see it, but I'm just... It's out. There you go. That's supposed to be one piece in there. Yeah, it's not good when it does that. These are different side to side for this car. I don't know what the difference is, but they're different. So we'll do the bottom first. Let's get it inside the brake line. Get it in place here. Okay. Inside the brake line, closer to the strut. Don't put it out here and push the line in. Let's get these started. Up top here, same thing at the bottom. Get that nut started on there. Okay, see this? Yeah, it's still in the frame. Should be able to run this in, I hope. Yep, there we go. Let's see if we can do the same at the bottom. Come on. Not much to see, same as I just did. Take a look at the back of my head. That's it. Done. Not hard. Hardest part's getting them apart sometimes. Now there you can see it. There's the top. And down there's the bottom. No big deal. Pretty simple.